Yeah, we don't tell that for popular EMR road where we say the man whether they call Comrade Kelly Okubo, I don't dare yes this afternoon say this thing must stop. And I know I said a name now Able Stone. For the past some days now, you don't turn out for this place with the men and some other bodies where the governments don't come this area, represent the governor and the government to say this matter. He put body all this while, and it's time today with the carry waka go on that area. We will not go mention now because of security issues and security reasons. When we come out here, now just make it let us know how far in don't go with the team and what did happen for this place. Comrade, how you be today?
We did fine. Thank you very much, my brother.
What did happen since?
So far, so good. We don't try. By the grace of God, today make 1 week, 1 day here. And you know, say we promise that those people say it not be business as usual. Even when they feel say we not go fit, we let them know say this one a government of Senator Mondo Pevolo. Say if you talk something, we will do, and that's why we dey talk less, plenty action. So as you can see, say I know they here alone. I dey here with my brothers and the sister agencies. I dey here with the SSA on surveillance. I dey here with my brother when they represent those SARS. And I dey here with the task force and waste management board with people when they charge of migrants and all that. So our hope is this: say we want to rescue our youth because they are going through a lot. And by the grace of God, with the power of God Almighty, and with our governor, Senator Mondo Bevolo, we go sustain this work as long as this government is in existence for the first 4 years. When God don't forgive our governor, we go sustain this work for the first 4 years. So from here, we dey go other place this night, not be tomorrow. So that more let them know, say, don't be only here, that be our focus. Our focus on the whole of Edo State. Both the sex worker and the people when they sell yamayama drugs, they kill our children every day, and we're not there happy about them.
For the past 1 week, when I don't dey here since, and I never wonder to ask question. These people want to pursue, so where then they are them work out? They don't move, come up for this state, or they relocate to another area. I never ask this kind of question.
We don't ask, and we know we dey do our investigation. That's why I tell you, say we get where we dey go this night. Although some of them don't come on for Edo, we talk and say it don't go be business as usual. When you say what you dey do when you take the same money, and we can't, they can't stop on what you go they do here. And 99% of these people when they sell drugs and the one when they do this sex work, they are not from this state. So we don't go want make bad thing the apple for our state. It may interest you to know, say you get one small pikin. When we arrest the first day won't come, she's 14 years old. We see 2 bad drugs for her. They call one Colorado, the other one Lad. 14 years old, and she said she don't take 2 drugs for 2 years. So my brother, you see, to born pikin not easy. So for one person to come, they spoil pikin for our hand, they not good. That's why we see we go put down upon ourselves. You go know say this place, we don't pay a lot of sacrifice here. We dey start work 7 a.m. in the morning. We go close 12 a.m. the next day because we get shift. And by the grace of God, the people when they do this work, they be human being. And we know say, what will they do so? Not be only here we want to see the reward. The reward will come from God Almighty. That's why we dey do it. Even when people, they say, whether we go sustain it. Bible even talk and he say, even when others are say there's a casting down, we go say, there's a lifting up. We, as a Christian, that is why we tell them, say, if you believe, say, we go tire, now they go tire. We go do this thing as long as the government of Senator Mondo Bevolo say they on board.
Oh yeah, now the business where they this area, we don't discover say for daytime they only open, for evening time and the night time they only open. And because now they around they make the business, the shops not they open.
Who shop the business? All the business people they open, like the food seller, all the provision store. Anybody when they do business, when they legit, they go open. But those one when they do nyama business, now they lock. And you know say some of them that they accommodate all these people, and that is why I say any store or any office won't foresee any of those guys here, we go shut them down. For the now, which I never say I don't go talk. That is why we dey here. That's why me, as the Oga Patapata, and there's never a day when I not dey here. As my boys, they dey here, that's why they dey here. Because if you send your soldier war, you need to dey there. Now the only way of it to do the work. I don't want to call the year story saying, I saw my boy do this one. And thank God, say nobody don't accuse any of them. Say they don't compromise, collect money for some people, they let them say. Anybody when she say no push off for this year, man, you don't say that the one where they do bad business. The one where they do better business, they are on board.
Oh yeah, now the last question we say the people who do arrest since on persecute them.
They did the office of the migrant. So from there, you take them the appropriation. And waiting with their beg. Any of the security agencies, whether not NDLA, whether not the police, won't carry these people go, may they let them face the penalty so that it will serve as a deterrent to other people.
Thank you, everybody. Edo people, and I say make I let you understand. Say, it get one time last year where we say Edo state government we don't carry waka come out for November 12. They enter this area. Wait till we see they first shut them down for a while and bring them back again. It could even increase, and we can see some of these people they against this drug issue. I don't want to call their name. They do traffic here since they stop people, they stop these people, and at the end of the day, we can discover say the work where they work in not give result at all. No positive report. Like waiting the postal talk capacity, here say the work where they work now illegal money that they work, not be saying better money that they work. I wish that better money that they work, they for leave them that they operate. Because they're illegal and they make that they stop them, they push them out. We know say some people they say Ashawo business they legalize, but when they respect themselves, do Ashawo business, nobody will disturb them because you get the area where they call red flag area, where everybody understand. Since Edo State they want to GRA to their own personal matter where they spoil things. Now make Edo State government say no, we're not going to agree for this Yama issue. When they talk those days, say for Mission Road that they see Ugbagwe. It's a well-known area where they go carry Ashawo. So there's police they boss them, everybody they boss them. But at the end of the day, the way they turn GRA to, you know, we ever see Edo person join these people, they do Ashawo matter. All of them are foreigners from other states. Even the drug matter where we say, it don't condemn youth, condemn people, condemn these foreign people for this state. These people don't drive, they come out. And this evening, where we said the 1st of March, they carry waka go another area to go come those areas to make sure say that area go sanitize like Iyama, popular Royal Mabo area and Iyama Road. My name still remain the articulate patriot, TMC TV News. I better tell Edo people your name and your position.
My name is Lucky Inegbenehi, the managing director, Edo State Waste Management Board.
Waste Management Board, your matter day for this matter will be say don't start since on the 25th of February, come today, will be 1st of March, where we turn out for this popular country home road, front of Stella or Passenger. How you see today? What to make you carry waka enter here with your team?
Today is a very good day for the good people of Edo State. If you even watch what is happening, they happen. You see that everywhere. These people, if you talk to them, finish. Say, see, sanitation matter. Now all of us responsibility. If you clear them finish, you come on the tiffin. Before you come, the following day morning, they don't pack and full everywhere. So these people, they don't want to understand, say, issue of environmental now everybody work. So we say, okay, no problem. As it be like that, more will come this night. Because Oga say he want to redesign the state in terms of environmental. So we say more will come this night, more will come clear everywhere. When I make us day here, we want to make Edo State the cleanest, the healthiest, and make it day environmentally friendly. So now make us come here this night.
If I carry you come this place, why be saying now where these people they import from other states, whether they sell drug for Benin, and make you want to declare dirty for night?
No, you know say all of them dey together. You know say as they take whatever they take finish now, anything when they yama they eat finish, they go pack and put for road. You know see the video, see your video now, kind of come and come down. You know see the ground. You know see the ground. So when they do their wala finish, they go pack the dirty, scatter that for center of the road. You see so? So we got tell this night say, see, Edo State don't be doing it day before. We want to make Edo State be one of the cleanest for Nigeria. And to achieve that one, we dey work day and night to make sure say it happen.
Capacity in Boston, people don't begin to praise your government, they praise Monday Okbewolo since on the 25th, to wanna enter Iyama Road, clear that area. And today, on a day for Country Home Road, front of Stella or Passenger, where they call popular First Bar. Now, the question will be Edo people they ask, how you want to sustain and your team want to sustain this thing, make them not come out the way they come out for the past government?
Yeah, thank you very much. You know, say, you see all of us when they here, so we there as team. And anything when this government starts, we they finish on. Not be government when be say, now government when they do plenty talk, they know they fit do something. This government na small talk, plenty work. And this thing when we went back on so, no government don't ever fit one. And you see what we do for Iyama, and at the same thing, now we want to repeat here so. Because all these children when they take this cocaine, all these children when they do this sex worker, they be our brothers, they be our sister. According to the slogan of Ako Rescue, say you want to rescue Edo people. And during the time of his campaign, he talk and say, he go touch every sector for this state. And this one are one of them. And this one are one of the major priority. Because part of this thing when they happen here, they bring insecurity, they come here. And by the grace of God, with this team, the way they work as team, so we believe say we go fix or do all these people. And you see what they happen discipline. This popular control road, this place till 4 a.m. in the morning, you know they see where pass here. But today, you can see that there's free flow of traffic because of our presence when they here today. And by the grace of God, we go sustain her. The way we take do here now, when we say we dey get money and evening shift, that's what we want to do here. We go to resume 7 p.m. here. We'll close 12 a.m. the way we did one for the other side. And we are not going back. So we want to use this medium to advise our brothers and our sisters that it cannot be business as usual. That the government of Opebolo, we are here to rescue those people. I want to advise the people when get business for this area. They should stop aboarding these people. Because I remember when we come just now, we heard some people when it is said drugs and some of those test workers, they don't enter inside premises. Because they don't enter, we don't want to go there, bring law to our mind. But what did they do? For them to put them out, they now lock the door against us. So if we come, they do waiting on the according to law. Now our own, now it go sweet. You know, say no, most people don't like government. But with this job when we don't start, so over 95% don't appreciate what they do. So the remaining 25% they talk, you don't get what it stand. So we say thank you to other people for their cooperation so far, especially the support, especially the media houses. You guys have been doing well. May God continue to bless every one of you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
MD, make I quick ask you, how many teams form this team we dey here today?
We get migration here, DG migration here, we get waste management, but we get PSR here, we get Edo State Tax Force. All of us complete for here. When we team up, embark on this mission. And our mission, when they call no return, we won't do until the end. We want to make sure say we bring sanity back to the state. We want to make Edo State be the way it be back in the days. And we don't want make people come out for that state, come they call it common nuisance. It's not going to happen again. Because all of us, they're united. We want to make sure say those states with the designer in terms of sanity and sanitation, make it day in order. So now make all of us here.
DG Migration, come on, and me and you want to talk since. Yeah, DG Migration, if you tell Edo people your name.
Yeah, now maybe Honorable Chief Lucky Agazuma, the Director General Edo State Migration Agency.
All these sex workers, popularly known as Ashawo, where they carry from here, since they come reach today. Now your place that they carry, that they go. How you they treat their mother since?
Now very small thing. We get a very big shelter where we keep over 500 people. Where we say we they work on. Anybody will pick here. If you be Edo, you not be Edo, or you be other tribe. If you want to set up any business, Mr. Governor ready to give you business, skill acquisition. If you don't want ready, say where you for, you go back to that place. It's very simple because now abroad me at the stay. If you go anywhere around the world, they will tell you say all Edo women are Ashawo. The answer is a lie. So now the time to change the narrative. Say now people they can't use our ground. Till they play waiting that they play. We not go agree. This time now justice for our women, our mother, our wife, our sisters. Say we know they know us for culture, not be waiting that they accuse us for. Because when we pick all of them up to 100, we will say 99.9 now from another state.
Exactly.
Therefore, now our land that they use till they succeed. Our women go there inside house, strangers go there for street. But as of today, when we get the street, we get street, make the day inside house. And if you go to any motor park now, then they move. Then they say, Edo don't cast to, Edo don't cast to, we don't run come out to, because we do our job.
This migration issue is supposed to extend past the level of arresting these people, keeping them somewhere, converting them to business level, and give them industrialized brain. But you're not supposed to understand that this sensitization need to go motor parks where they bring this people.
We don't do everything where they need to do. The day where they give me position, I move straight to immigration office for Aduawa. From there I go to Natip, I go to airport, I go to some park. I call all the NGOs, I call all the brothel owners. First time I call them, they say no level. They know they come. About 15 come. Second meeting, about 22 come. When we start reading, about 400 come out. Say they want home meeting. Now tell them say we go home meeting later. But we first do it till we do first. Because we don't tell them say we don't want to make it be like this. So we say we don't even meet. We tell them say not open that place again. Go they put a small underage. You will go somewhere with me say 13 years go there for brothel. wey say e suppose to dey school, and who dey put them for protest, their own children dey for school. So na that thing na dey vex us say no, use your pikin take do am and leave another man own pikin. Like issue wey I handle last week, they go carry dumb and deaf daughter 14 years, carry am from here to Burkina Faso. E reach there and say that they follow, they do that nyama wey they call am, the womb come fall down. We have to come bring the girl all from Burkina Faso, carry come, and 14 years they go put a family planning for the girl hand because they give am unprotected sex just for their selfish interest. If migration on the street, we no go know say all this kind of thing dey happen because then they use tie, they use other for children, then they collect money for pocket. Now make us say no, use your pikin while you leave poor man pikin for this one. Thank you.
Use your pikin, not use other people pikin to do all this work. Make una not forget say this matter na matter wey be say concern all Edo people. Na only the people wey dey criticize government go talk say Ogbevolo government e never ready work. Wetin don dey happen since on the 25th reach today. The way me I dey pass here man, e no be like the way I dey pass am before. As at this time for here man, I know the way they be traffic go dey there, but no dey dey for afternoon. My people, I understand say so many things dey take place wey be say una no dey wan believe say somebody dey do something, especially when you dey opposition or when you no dey appreciate government. Wetin all these guys dey do since these 4 members when e come together to say let us breathe sanity under Ogbevolo government, I give the hand, I salute them. My name still remain the articulate patriot, and the man wey dey let una understand say as we see am na so we dey talk am, we no dey take blame. TMC TV News.